Hi guys, it's Paul with Undersprite Canada. Spring is here, mobile detailing season. So I found this tool. I think it's going to be really useful for mobile guys. It's a battery operated DeWalt car washer. Really nice and easy to use. You can attach it to the hose. It's got a little more power attached to the hose. But I think the big thing is the bucket attachment. So you literally can wash your vehicle with a bucket of water. We use the Eco Wash solution, so 1 cap per gallon roughly, and we can use it also as a foamer with Eco Wash or Clean as a foaming. So I'm gonna do a quick demo. It's not the strongest machine in the world, but it does its job. As you guys see, it foams really well, even without the foaming application. And yeah, super easy, super light, easy to take anywhere. Just works with a 20-volt battery from DeWalt. Cool. Hope you guys enjoyed. Give it a try and give me some feedback. Thank you.